Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. I picked up a bunch of beauty products from Amazon. So I cannot wait to show what all I picked from this haul and show it to you guys. There are great discounts that are going on Amazon at the moment. All the prices of these products with MRP as well as their discounted price will be mentioned on the screen. The first one is the Lakme Spotlight Eyeshadow Palette. This is the variant Sundowner, which is such a pretty palette. It has a mix of warm tones as well as a bunch of pink and purple tones as well. I've been meaning to pick this eyeshadow up from so long. So when I found it on a great discount, I just picked this up. I really love the color selection of this palette. This is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now as well, and you can see how pretty the eye makeup has turned out. The eyeshadows perform very well on the eyes. They are very decently pigmented and pop on the eyelids. The mattes blend very easily as well on the eyes. There is no rough texture to them, so they are very smooth and buttery on the eyelids. As well as the shimmers, they are very soft and finely milled sort of satiny finish shimmery eyeshadows. They apply nicely on the eyes and they pop as well, especially with the festivities that are coming up. I think this is such a great palette to have since it has a lot of those nice festive colors in it. The next product is the LA Girl Pro Prep HD Primer. So this is a silicone based primer. I've been meaning to get my hands on this product from so long, and finally I got it from Amazon at a great discount. This primer contains 15 ml of product. It's a clear primer. It doesn't have color whatsoever. This helps in smoothing out the fine lines. So I want my base makeup to look really nice, smooth and flawless. So this primer does exactly that. It just creates that smooth, even canvas before you apply your foundation or concealer. So in the end, your makeup looks really flawless. It's very balmy and lightweight to touch, and also it feels super comfortable and lightweight on the skin. And not only that, this is just going to make sure that your entire makeup stays put for throughout the day. If you're an oily skin girl, definitely consider this because it is very good in mattifying the skin as well as filling up all those pores and imperfections on the skin. The next product that I got is the Maybelline Instant Eye Eraser Concealer, which is such a mouthful, but this is such a cult favorite concealer. I have the same concealer in a darker shade, so I wanted to pick a lighter shade as well to highlight my skin. So I got the shade medium, which is perfect for highlighting my face. And not only that, I really love the packaging of this. It just makes this clicking noise, and the product comes out on the sponge right here on the top. So when you apply this on the under eyes, it really feels mushy and really cooling on the under eyes. So this concealer is absolutely full in coverage, so a little bit goes a long way with this one. So I just dabbed a little bit of this on the under eyes as well as on the centers of my face, and it blends very nicely as well on the skin. And once it is set, it is set. It doesn't move anywhere on the skin or become oily throughout the day, and it is extremely long lasting on the skin, which is totally needed and necessary from a concealer. So I absolutely love the Maybelline Instant Eye Eraser Concealer. The next product is a highlighter, again from Maybelline. This is their Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. I already own the Molten Gold highlighter, which I really like. So I wanted to give this a shot because I really like rose gold highlighters on my skin personally. I don't know, I feel like rose gold looks so exotic and luxurious on dusky complexions. So I wanted to pick this up, but it's slightly a paler shade of a rose gold. It definitely has a lot more pink in it, and it has this rose gold shift to it, which makes it super pretty, luminous looking on the skin. I think this shade of highlighter ties well with the makeup look that I have created because it does have a lot of pink and purples in it. So it's going really nicely with the makeup look as well. Again, it's a very soft and buttery highlighter. It is a very blingy highlighter, so make sure you use a very light hand when you apply this highlighter on the skin, otherwise it's gonna be a very intense highlight on the skin. It almost gives this metallic sheen on the skin. Also, you can absolutely use this as an eyeshadow as well because it is so well pigmented. I think it would look very pretty on the eyelids as well. I have few lipsticks that I picked up from this haul, so let me show you. Also, there is a new feature on Amazon which is a virtual tool. You can literally try on a lipstick shade virtually by uploading your picture, and it would just show you how your natural lips look as well as when the particular shade of lipstick is applied, which is such a cool and useful feature in my opinion, because you can have a clear idea of how these lipstick shades look on your complexion before even placing your order. The first one that I got is the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick in the shade Red Smoke. I love this range of liquid lipstick from Lakme. They are very nice and comfortable and lightweight on the lips, and it has sort of a buildable formula, so you can build the intensity of this lipstick according to your liking, whether you want it to be very sheer on the lips or you want it to be very intense. As the name suggests, it's a red lipstick, but it has a bit of a twist to it. It's a very toned down sort of a red shade. It's sort of like a muted down burnt red color. So those of you who shy away from wearing a red lipstick, you can try this one because it's very muted down, so you won't feel like the lipstick is very popping, but still it's a red shade. Especially with the festivities coming up, I think this is such a great pick. The other lipstick that I have is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick, and this is in the shade Give Me Mocha, which is such a popular shade of lipstick, and I don't know what took me so long to get my hands on this because it is indeed such a pretty color. Now the formula of this lipstick is slightly different than the Lakme one. Yes, it is a very thin and liquidy, but it definitely has a little bit of a moussiness to it. It has that slight whipped texture to it. Once it is completely dry, you wouldn't really feel the lipstick on your lips. It is that lightweight and comfortable, as though I do not have any lipstick on the lips at all. It is that light and comfortable on the lips. Now talking about the color, which is why it is so popular, it is such a pretty nude. It's like this very beautiful neutral rosy mauvey nude, which makes it very flattering across skin tones, especially the duskier and deeper category of skin tones. This looks so beautiful. This is what I'm wearing right now, and can you see how beautiful and pretty it looks? It's got a little bit of pink, mauve as well as brown mixed all together, which makes it very unique sort of a shade. And I would say this is a must-have lipstick for all Indian girls because it is so beautiful. I also had my lunch and this still is staying put. Nothing has moved so much, so the longevity of this lipstick is also great. The final product that I have is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray in the natural variant. I have been meaning to get this natural variant from the Wet n Wild setting spray from so long. So this is what I used as well to set my makeup in place. And just like the name suggests, yes, it is a natural finish setting spray, which means it's not too matte, not too dewy as well. It's right in between. So it kind of mimics the texture on the skin. It doesn't really add too much, but just sets your makeup so beautifully without altering anything. The spray nozzle of this bottle is also really nice, not too splotchy, not extremely fine as well. It dispenses the setting spray very decently. Just make sure to shake it very well and hold it at a one-arm distance before you spray this onto your face. You can not only use this as a setting spray but as a primer as well before you start with your makeup. This would really help in making your makeup stick and stay put on the skin if you use it as a primer. So this is it for today's video. Those are all the items that I bought in this haul. All the details and links to each of the product that I mentioned in today's video will be listed in the description box. So this is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching my Amazon beauty haul. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!